Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your browsing data in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner, tap on these three dots, the menu icon, tap on the last option, the settings, and scroll down here to the privacy and security. And the fifth option will be delete browsing data. Tap on it, and here you can select what to delete or what to not delete. And if you are ready with selecting, then tap on delete browsing data. Tap on delete and it's done. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.